Hi students, good morning everybody. In the previous class we started about combinations. Combination is nothing but NCR, selection of or objects from n different objects is defined as NCR, is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, and NCR equal to NC n minus r. If NCR equal to NCS, then n equal to r plus s or r equal to s, and main formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. These are the main formulae we have seen earlier. Okay, on this we will see some problems now. First one, if NC4 equal to 210, then find n value. We are given NC4 equal to 210. NC4 can be written as n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 upon 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called NC4 equal to 210. Now transpose this. N of n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 equal to 210. I will write 21 tens into 4, 3, 2, 1. So this we have to express 1, 2, 3, 4. Product of 4 consecutive numbers. So can I write this can be 7 into 3. This is 2 into 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 3s are 9 into 4 2s are 8 into 7 is there. Next, okay, 9, 8, 7. Next one, 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. So I will write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Product of 4 consecutive numbers. So in the place of n, we can take 10. You see 10 into 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 3 7. So value of n is how much? 10. Okay. Second one. If 12CR is equal to 495, find the possible values of R. Find the possible values of R. You see here 12CR is equal to 495. 495, how can we write? Split this. 11 4s 44, 11 5s 9 5s are 45. So 11 into 9 into 5 I can write this. Okay. Then I am doing one thing here. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 I am writing by 4 3 2 1. That means what did I do here? 4 3s 12, 12 2s 24. Multiply and divide with 24. Right? Then you will get this. Multiply and divide with 24. Okay. That 24 can be written as like this. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. This can be written as 12C4. Right? 12C4. Or by using this formula NCR equal to NC n minus R, 12C, 12 minus 4 means 8. Therefore, what are the possible values of R? R is 4 or 8. Possible values of R is 4 or 8. Okay? Third one. Third one, if 10 into NC2 is equal to 10 into NC2 is equal to 3 into N plus 1 C3, then find N. Okay? So this how do we write? 10 into, what is NC2? N of N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 into, what is N plus 1 C3? N plus 1 minus 1. So N minus 1 upon 3, 2, 1. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Now N gets cancelled. N minus 1 gets cancelled. 3, 3 gets cancelled. 2, 2 gets cancelled. So what is the value of N plus 1 here? 10. So N equal to 10 minus 1, 9. So what is the value of N here? 9. Okay? Next one. Next one. Fourth one. If NPR equal to 5040, NCR 210, then find N and R. Okay, so here one more formula we have, that is NPR by NCR is equal to R factorial, right? So that by using this formula I can write R factorial is equal to NPR by NCR. So divide 5040 upon 210. So 3 7s are 21, 3 1s, 3 6s are 3 8s are, 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 24. R factorial is equal to, can we write 4 factorial this? 4 factorial means 4 factorial is equal to 4, 3, 2, 1. That means 24. So value of R is 4. But I want to find N also. So in the place of R you keep 4. NC4 equal to 210. Right? NC4 equal to 210. So how do we write this? NC4 means N into N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3 upon 4, 3, 2, 1 is equal to 210. So N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3 equal to 21 tens are into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This we can write 10, 9, 8, 7 like first problem. 10, 9, 8, 7. That means value of N will be 10. Okay. So what is the value of N here? 10. So therefore N 10 R 4. Okay. Next one, fifth one. If NC4 NC4 equal to NC6, then find N.
Okay.
NC4 equal to NC6, then N value 4 plus 6, that is 10. Therefore N value how much? 10. As per this formula, if NCR equal to NCS, then N equal to R plus S or R equal to S. Okay. Sixth one, if 15C 2R minus 1 equal to 15C 2R plus 4, then find R. By using the same formula, if NCR equal to NCS, then N equal to R plus S. Okay. Since NCR equal to NCS, then N equal to R plus S. This is the formula we use. So 15 equal to 4R plus 3. 4R equal to 12. R equal to 4 3s are 12. So therefore R value how much? 3. Next one. If seventh one, if 17C 2T plus 1 equal to 17C 3T minus 5, then find T. Okay, same it looks like same formula. If NCR equal to NCS, then what did I say? N equal to R plus S or R equal to S. So how do you get now first one? 17 equal to 2T plus 1 plus 3T minus 5 or 2T plus 1 equal to 3T minus 5. Two cases. Let us see here. 5T minus 4 equal to 17. 5T minus 4. 5T equal to 17 plus 4. 21. T equal to 21 by 5. It is not possible. Rejected. Why? Because this should be integer. It is not an integer. Should be always an integer. So look at this. 3T minus 2T is equal to 6. So T equal to 6. So this is possible. T equal to 6. Next one also same. If 12C R plus 1 is equal to 12C 3R minus 5, find R. So if NCR equal to NCS, then I told you N equal to R plus S. 4R minus 4 equal to 12. 4R equal to 16. R equal to 4. Okay. Another case is R equal to S. R plus 1 equal to 3R minus 5. 2R equal to 6. R equal to 3. So therefore R equal to 3 or R equal to 4. Okay. Next one. Ninth one. If 9C3 plus 9C5 is equal to 10CR, find R. Okay. This we will do one thing. 9C3 means what? 9 into 8 into 7 upon 3 to 1 plus 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is equal to 10 CR. Now what is the common term you see here? 9, 8, 7 is there upon 3, 2, 1 is there. This fully common if you take 1 plus 6 5s are 30, you can cut 5 5. So 6 by 3 to 1 is gone, so 4 is left, equal to 10 CR. So 9 into 8 into 7 upon 3 to 1, 4 plus 6, 10 by 4. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this can I write 10 C4 is equal to 10 CR. Then R equal to how much? 4. R equal to 4. R 10C4 means I can write 10 minus 4, 6 equal to 10 CR. So R equal to 6 also. Either 4 or 6. Next, 10th one. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways of forming a committee. Of forming a committee. Forming a committee of 5 members. From 6 men and 3 ladies. Okay. So total 6 men plus 3 ladies. Together 9 are there. I want to select a committee of 5 members. Number of ways. Number of ways equal to total 9 are there. C 5. Selection of 5 members from 9 members is nothing but 9C5. Okay, means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 to 6, 4 to 8, 4, 9 should be multiplied by 5 times, no? Here 5 also. 5 gets cancelled. Then 7 2s are 14. 14 9s are 9 2s are 18. 18 7s are 126. So that many ways we can select. So if the same question is forming a committee, how many committees contain at least 2 ladies? How many committees contain at least 2 ladies? In how many ways we can select? Here I have 6 men and 3 ladies, right? I want at least 2 ladies always. So 2 ladies I will keep here. At least 2 means 2 and above. I will keep 2 ladies here. I want 5 members committee, so 2 means I can select 3 members here. Suppose if ladies are 3, gents only 2. That's all. Here 4 means 4 ladies not there, so only possibilities are. So required number of ways. Required number of ways equal to at least 2 ladies, no? So 6C3 like this. 6C3 into this way 3C2 plus 6C2 into 3C3. So 6C3 means how much? 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 2. 3C2 means 3 2 by 2 plus 6C2 means 6 into 5 by 2. This is 1. So 3 2 6, 2 2 cancel, 2 1s, 2 3s. So 20 plus 3 plus 15, 38. 6C3, 3C2, 6C2, 3C2. Oh, sorry. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. 60 here. So 60 plus 15, 75. 5 4s, 23s are 60 plus 15. So that many ways we can select. 12th. If NC5 equal to NC6, find 13Cn. So NC5 equal to NC6. That means N equal to R plus S, 5 plus 6. That means N equal to 11. I want 13Cn. Now 13Cn means 13C11. I told you if NCR equal to NCn minus R, we can reduce. So this will be 13C, 13 minus 11, 2. So 13 into 12 by 2, 2 6 are 78. Next. So I am going to use this formula now. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. It's a very, very important formula. By using that, simplify 34C5 plus summation R equal to 0 to 4, 38 minus R C4. Now first I will expand that. 34C5 plus 34C5 plus 34C5 plus R, in the place of R put 0 first. So 38C4 plus, in the place of R keep 1, 37C4, if you put 2, 36C4, if you put 3, 35C4, if you put 4, 34C4. Is that clear now? I kept in the place of R from 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you look at this two, just this two, if you look at these two, looks like that formula you see, NCR plus NCR minus 1 means I can write N plus 1 CR, N plus 1 CR. It's not look like that. So not these two, right? First one, last one I'll arrange. Rearrange now. 34C5 plus 34C4. These two look like same. Now I'll write 35C4 here. Okay. Next 36C4, 37C4, 38C4. Rearrange them. Now it looks like C. NCR plus NCR minus 1. Now N plus 1. 35. C. R means 5. Now 35C5 we have, 35C4 we have. These two together now. Remaining you write as it is. Okay? Remain. Now looks like NCR plus NCR minus 1 means again N plus 1 CR plus 36C4. These two together 37C4, 38C4 same. 37C5 NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR plus 37C4 plus these two together now. Last one is 38C4. Now again this will be 38C5 plus 38C4. Again 38 plus 1, 39C5. That is the answer. Therefore, what is the answer here? 39C5. Okay? So by using that formula we can simplify this. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Next, find the value of (10C5) plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. Now you see here, I'll just rearrange to that form. 10C5 plus 2 10C4 we have now, so I'll take one 10C4 here, another 10C4 as it is plus 10C3. Now looks like that formula, see NCR plus NCR minus 1, so 11C5 plus this also same 11C4, again same NCR plus NCR minus 1, N plus 1 CR, 12C5. 12C5 means how much? 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 upon 5, 4, 3, 2. 4 2s 8, 3 3s 9, 5 2s 10. So 3 2s are 6, 11 6 are 66, 66 12s are 792. So answer is 792. Clear? Next one. Find the number of ways of selecting. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 girls and 4 boys. 3 girls and 4 boys out of 7 girls. Out of 7 girls and 6 boys. So we have total 7 girls here, 7 girls and 6 boys. Okay, from 7 girls I want to select only 3 girls. From 6 boys I want to select 4 boys. Required number of ways is equal to selection of 3 girls from 7 girls is 7C3 into selection of 4 boys from 6 boys is nothing but 6C4. So 7 into 6 into 5 upon 3 twos are into 6C4 means nothing but 6C2. So 6 into 5 by 2. 2 threes 6. 35 into 15. 15 5 75. 15 3 45 plus 7 52. 525. 7C3. Sorry. 4 boys and 3 girls. 7 girls and 6 boys. 3 girls and 3 boys. Oh, sorry. Then no problem. Required number of is 525. Okay. So we'll continue some more problems in the next class. Thank you.